This video will help you understand how to use CenterPoint Energy's outage map. Once you've clicked View Restoration Map, scroll to the bottom of the screen. There you will find a mapping tool. Now you can expand this. You can just scroll using your fingers to expand the map, or that upper left corner, use the magnifying glass to type in the address you're looking for. Be very specific. And here you'll see that our downtown City Hall has power. We can scroll out. We can see the other areas of town. You can click to see the blue is assessment complete. The light green says partially energized, and the dark green means that you should have power. This video was created by electricityplans.com to help consumers understand how to use the CenterPoint Energy outage map. We are not affiliated with CenterPoint Energy.